the Schmidt M Series. M meaning multimedia. This equipment is designed to give you the ability to run almost any abrasive through one unit. This unit does a wonderful job at blasting with lightweight abrasives such as corncob, walnut shell, sodium bicarbonate. The controls on this give you extreme accuracy in the metering dosage of that lightweight abrasive. At the same time, you can turn around and run almost any other abrasive through it, from the steel grits to the aluminum oxides. And this unit does a very nice job on that harsh abrasive. Other equipment offered in the industry is either dedicated for hard abrasives, your aluminum oxides, your steel grits, or your soft abrasives. We're offering you one unit that can do it all. This unit has sophisticated controls on it that give you the ability to not only control your blast pressures, but also control the vessel pressure itself, which dictates how much abrasive you receive on your lightweight abrasives. This unit is also capable of bypassing the regulator, so you can actually blast just like a conventional blast unit with your harder abrasives at full pressure without having to do any changes to the unit itself. It's a very comfortable, ergonomical unit. The design is extremely maneuverable. It is available in multiple sizes from 0.9 to an M21, which is which is 2 cubic foot, and it's available on an M31, which is 3 cubic foot. Of course, with Schmidt, if you have a custom request for a different size, we're more than happy to accommodate you. The Schmidt M Series is based on the Schmidt Thompson Valve 2 pressure hold system, the most reliable blasting system in the world. There are some features on the M Series that goes above and beyond that platform, and that has to do with this control panel. We are showing you what your tank pressure is, which is set by a regulator. We're also showing you what the blast pressure is. This blast pressure is controlled by this flow control valve. The reason that we have this control is for that lighter abrasive. With that lighter abrasive, you have to run some positive differential, meaning that the vessel needs to be slightly higher in pressure than the line on your pusher hose or your blast hose. That little additional pressure in the vessel assists that lighter abrasive to get down into that airstream. That's what this center gauge is, our differential gauge. This gauge gives you an exact measurement of how many PSI the tank is above that of your blast pressure to assist in that abrasive flow. And when you're dealing with the sodium bicarbonates of the world, 1 PSI makes a huge difference in how much abrasive you're receiving into your airline. This system gives you that finite control to ensure that your operators are running efficiently. Lastly, this unit can easily be moved over into a standard blasting outlet for your steel grits or your aluminum oxides. And it's simply by the manipulation of this valve, which when opened, it allows your incoming air to bypass the regulator, feeding the system at full pressure. So with this valve open, this system will function just like the tried and true Thompson Valve 2 Schmidt abrasive blasting equipment. Should you want to go back to a regulated system, you simply close this valve back off, reset your pressures, and you're back in operation running your finer, lighter abrasives. There are some additional features on the Schmidt M Series that give it the ability to do such a nice job of blasting with different abrasives. One of which, of course, is the Schmidt Thompson Valve 2, the most rugged, durable valve in our industry. Secondly is a newly redesigned abrasive shutoff valve. This valve gives you the ability for your operator to close that valve off, isolating the vessel should you have to service the bottom of this Thompson valve too. This valve has a quick detach. So by removing this thumb screw and this clamp, the valve is free from the unit. Standard on the M series is a cleanout feature for the Thompson valve 2. When you're running this fine abrasives, you're dealing with a very small orifice inside the Thompson valve 2, and should an earplug or a cigarette butt end up in your vessel, your operators used to not have any choice but to drop the valve and manually clean it out. By opening this ball valve and engaging that dead man, the air will backflow through and clean that orifice out. Once he cleans it out, he simply shuts this back off. Your operator then would open the manual shutoff valve again and he can go back to business. There is also a media vibrator standard on the M series. That pneumatic vibrator simply gives you a little assistance when it's on to help those finer abrasives fall down into the airstream. We also have a water connection so you can hook a water hose up to it, and our twin line comes with a water line that connects at this point so you can mist a little water at the nozzle to help keep the dust levels down. The Schmidt M series comes standard with a 55-foot twin line, with the Schmidt G2 Deadman, and our wet blast attachment which slips over your nozzle so you can spray water over your workpiece for dust suppression. Comes standard with a lid and a screen to keep your abrasive dry and contaminants out of your vessel. The Schmidt M series is truly unique with its ability to control those air pressures and to control the abrasive flows. It gives you that opportunity for one piece of equipment to satisfy many, many different job site demands. Nobody else that we know of has a piece of equipment that can accomplish what the M series does. This equipment is another example of how Axiom Manufacturing continues to follow that Schmidt tradition of bringing you new technology and the reliability and productivity that you've come to expect from all Schmidt products.